Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to fix pen drive not connecting to your smart TV. So first thing is go to the settings and here device processes and here about and 7 times click on build number. After the clicking and you turn on the USB debugging and now try to connect your pen drive to smart TV. Connect your pen drive, PC or laptop. So the right click on USB pen drive and here select format. If the pen drive has NTFS, so select the FAT32. Remember, if you done the format, all data from the pen drive will be deleted. If you has any important data in the pen drive, so then take the backup. So now select the FAT32 and here start, click on start. OK. And here you can see format is completed. Click on OK. Now copy your data in pen drive and then try to connect to a smart TV. So I hope this method are helpful for you. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.